ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। Hello everyone. Today we are flashing the Pi 2 eMMC, the computer tools. So how you can flash directly image to this eMMC memory. Need to follow some instructions like a switch and recovery key and little bit stuff there, drivers. So for that, go to the Pi 2 GitHub page, CV2 Pi 2. Download this RK dev tool and this release image tool downloaded. File is there. Extract it, whatever software you are using. Extract this compressed file, so you get a full file. So you cannot flash this. This software need a full image file. So it's 5 something GB stuff. Now continue to the Pi. So you should switch this to this side, this one, and this one here. Some small switch is here. So this should be on side, this side, okay, according this. So this side is on, this side is off. This one should be on, this one should be off, okay. So take care of this and then press this small button and plug it from cable from computer, okay. Then wait for 3 seconds, 1 2 3, and release it. You get a harder sound. Now go to device manager. It shows the as a unknown device. Now need to install a driver. Driver install. First uninstall. So we clean the old driver or unknown everything. Then click on install. Wait. So it's the uninstall the new driver, latest one. Take some few seconds. Install driver. Okay. Okay. Close it. Now disconnect. Hold recovery key again. Connect it. Wait for 3 seconds. 1 2 3. Release it. Now it shows as a rock USB device. So driver is installed. Now you need to go to a software, this RK dev tool, and it shows as a mask room or loaded device. Shows there. Select it. So everything is should be same, but you need to browse your file there. So you need to click on here. So let's go there. Okay, browse your uncompressed file. Browse it. Open it and click here. Write by address and just run. So it's start downloading. Boot start and wait. Downloading is complete. Flashing complete. 100%. Download okay. Device is unplugged. It's done. Now just follow the some instructions like they said. So it shows like a loader or mask room. Our one is mask room. It's not support the compressed one. You uncompress it. Write by address. Same thing. After this complete, you need to USB switch off position. Boot normally. So file on the eMMC, it's cannot accessed by the computer like a SD card. So you can't modify the system.cfg file. You need to configure the Wi-Fi network instead of the Ethernet cable or something. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to unplug and plug it again. Hope. So we access it. Let's see if we access it or not. 1 2 3. Okay, device is there. Okay, this time device shows as a loader, and same rock USB device shows there. but it's not appear as a USB storage or something else. Now I attach a display and the proper power supply. So let's check. If boots, like I switch off this OTG stuff. So I leave this one because it's read the eMMC now. So I off the OTG stuff. So now I attach it, turn it on and wait for a few seconds. Let's see it's successfully burned there. I think it's a clip, they pre-installed clipper screen stuff maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm checking it now. By default, I think it's not support a DSI connection, so need to enable it. So now I'm going to check with the HDMI cable. My monitor, big monitor, I think I'm tested it, it's working or not. Okay, it's working with the HDMI cable, but my monitor is not a touch, so I'm not able to do anything. Otherwise, like if the HDMI touch is there, so you can go to a menu and add a Wi-Fi password there, so you can connect it with the Wi-Fi easily, and now you access it. Now you need to do a separate method. I attach a wireless keyboard mouse, wired mouse, USB mouse. Like somehow they are not supported natively. Accidentally I attach a USB mouse and try to it. So keyboard, some buttons, some like escape buttons is working. So somehow I get into the this menu. So if I reach the there, so I'm easily connect the Wi-Fi stuff, but it's not showing any pointer for a mouse or something else. So the, it's not showing any pointer, any mouse cursor, nothing. Just like if you click somewhere, if it's there, so it show you stuff like this. So now nothing else. So if you lost it, you lost it. Now I need to find another way. um, Now I'm drawing another method. I attach a LAN cable to directly to my computer, so I'm not able to reach the modem, so I connect directly with the LAN cable to direct to the computer LAN cable. After this, I go to the my Wi-Fi area, so I make a bridge connection between the Wi-Fi and my Ethernet, so I can access the my Ethernet also can access the internet, so my Pi 2. So I make the connection. You can share it, you can share the connection, you can bridge the connection. Like there is a plenty of method is there. Choose which one is working for you. After that, I scan the IPs, so it shows me a BIGTREETECH CV2. So I take the IP and start the host connection with the SSH. Okay, log in with the IP password. Now you need to like follow the path. So I'm using this terminal software. You can use whatever software you want to use it. So in that case, you need to go back to the main page and you need to go to your boot folder. So yes, your files is there. For change your if you add a Wi-Fi password, you need to go to the system file, then add your password here, whatever your pass Wi-Fi SSID password there. Go there and change it, save it. Yes. So if it's saving, if it's give you this error, so you have another way to do it. You need to right click on the file permissions, tick on everything. So give it a reading writing permission, apply it, yes, and then go there, try to change it, whatever that password you going there, save it, yes to all. If this thing is give you again error, if it's not give you a permission again, then type a sudo space nano, okay, then space, then right click on file and copy a path, or mouse middle click and press enter. Your file is open there. Okay, use your keypad to come to the there, type whatever that your password, control X, Y, and enter. So your file is saved. Same thing if you want to change a sudo nano space your environment again, like if you want to change your display to like a HDMI to DSI, so again you just need to edit it DSI display, so you can change the environment display. So control X, Y, and enter. The stuff is there, and you need to reboot the Pi, so it's connect to the Wi-Fi now. So I'm going to shut it down. So if I give a command here sudo shut down now, so you can shut it down now. Otherwise you can do it in the your web host console. Go there, shut it down. Okay, now I remove the LAN cable and attach a display. Let's check it. It's booting. Okay, it's booting from the now. So when it's on, then now it's booting from the Wi-Fi. So display is there now. It's connect with the Wi-Fi and it shows there with the Wi-Fi, and I connect it with the Wi-Fi now. So now you can do the your Clipper config stuff or all these stuff like that. You can connect a printer there. I uh, I remove the LAN cable, upload my config file, displays attached, motherboard attached, so everything is there. And now everything is shows here. I connected with the Pi, so now everything is complete. So how I can up, connect with the Wi-Fi password stuff like this. So if I upload the config file, attach a motherboard and stuff like display stuff like this, yes. For the continue, please subscribe, like and share. So now I raise the eMMC storage via USB to connecting with the computer. So stay continue. Now for erasing purpose, you need to follow a few steps. All you need to do the same stuff. eMMC to switch this direction, OTG to the this direction, same. So like this, and hold this small button recovery for 3 seconds, and attach a computer USB cable. Wait for 3 seconds, 1 2 3 and leave it. Now you need to open the software again. That's flashing software. You need to it goes to advanced function. It shows like the loader now, and click on erase all. Wait for a few seconds, it's erasing. After a couple of seconds, it shows you erase 100%, erasing storage success. So your eMMC storage is erased successfully. For testing purpose, I turn off the OTG. All this stuff is normal. Attach a power display, and nothing is shows there, and no SD card is here. No eMMC image there. Everything is erased. If you not able to access the LAN cable or do something stuff, if you want to use a USB to serial, so you need the some kind of a device, so who CH340, maybe a chip who convert like a USB to serial stuff. You need to connect it on the Pi, this, so you can uh, like a log in into the terminal and edit some stuff there. If you're not able to access the LAN cable somehow, so you need a separate device who like the device like a 3, so CH340 serial. Okay, so USB to UART serial connection there. You need communication with the UART pins. So you need to connect a TX, RX, RX, TX and a ground cable to the communicate between the Pi to the computer, so you can access with the terminal. I make a connection like this device CH340 to the Pi, so ground with the ground, but TX pin to the RX pin, RX pin to the TX pin. You need to do that for a communication purpose. Now you need to plug this into the computer and jump into the go to the terminal, and it shows you the communication COM port, and you need to give it a power USB. Okay, attach the power. So give it, attach this to the computer, and then it shows you a port, communication port. Before attach every power, you should take care of the switch. So like your USB OTG is off and your eMMC is off. So according to the documentation, so you should take care of these switches, and the no power from the this device to the Pi. I give the main power, so I don't want to do any damage or this stuff. So I want to just communicate CH340 device to the USB to UART serial. Okay, so take care of everything. No power from a device to the Pi. I connect a direct power. So it's carefully do everything. Okay, so now we are going to a next step. Now I go to my software, whatever you choose, your own software. Okay, so I go to a new session, serial. So my device is shows there. So USB serial CH340. I select it. Okay, so I go there. So everything selected there. Sorry, data 8 bit stop there. Okay. So flow everything is like what I do. 8 bit stop 1 party none none none, and you need a bound rate like a 1 5 and 5 times 0, 1 5 and 5 times 0. So it's there. Click on OK. So it shows there. After like a 2-3 seconds, it asks for your login password. So your login is your password is there. Okay, in your login there, it's there. So it shows you the stuff. After that, you need to follow the command. Okay, you need admin access like a sudo nano slash boot system.config file. Press enter, type your password. Okay, it shows you stuff there. So all the file or system there. So this is like you need to change your Wi-Fi password, what your Wi-Fi SSID name there, and your password there. Change it. After that, you need to like press Control X, Y, yes, same thing. Whatever that you add up Wi-Fi SSD, what your Wi-Fi name, password there. Control press X, Y, and enter. Okay, now what you need to do, just like for safety purpose, it's a wish. This is a power button. Press it. This power button send a shutdown command to the Pi. That's like up to you. Or okay. So this shut down the operating system. Everything is there. So now it's like a green light stop blinking stuff. So no power here. So everything is like a shutdown command is there. Now you can safely unplug the device. Okay, and unplug the power and okay, remove the stuff, and so your Wi-Fi password, all this stuff is there. You can plug it again. Okay, so make sure your OTG off, your everything is normal state. So your eMMC off, OTG is off. So everything is like there. Okay, connect the power. So it's boot up again. So now our Wi-Fi password is there. Now we can access the Wi-Fi. Uh, this eMMC, all the stuff is like access with the Wi-Fi stuff there. Now you need to scan your IP or stuff like this, and you can access it. Do the now we are like do the next test. Now I add like a display to the Pi 2 here, and like everything is on the eMMC, so no SD card or stuff like that. So I'm just add a Wi-Fi password. So next I like connect if this thing is connect to the Wi-Fi and shows like a in a terminal stuff SSH whatever you are using. So then after that I change some config like for this display. So we are like continue the more stuff. Okay, now I disconnect from a serial connection, and I add my IP address and password there. So the things shows here to my like terminal, whatever you software you are using. So it's here now, like the display stuff, all this stuff like this. So you need to go to the, so the stuff is there. What you need to go to the back and boot menu and the environment stuff. Okay, then you need to change this HDMI to the DSI. Okay, so DSI here, this, save it, that's it. Okay, if it gives you some kind of a error or something like that, what you need to do, you need to do a sudo, oh, you need to do a sudo, sudo, space nano, and then space, and then right click or middle mouse click. Okay, your path is there, press enter, type your password, press enter. Okay, then you need to do change this overlay system, like remove this one and DSI, type the DSI and press as control plus X on your keyboard, and then press Y, then press enter. There, now you need to take a sudo uh, reboot. Now, so you need to type this, and you need to wait for a few seconds. After like a 20-25 seconds something, so it shows you this logo there, and it shows you like this clipper screen. So you now successfully convert HDMI to DSI cable stuff there. Clipper screen is there. For the example purpose, like I attach to the this motherboard with the thermistor sensors, all stuff like there, and like firmware restart something, and like wait for a few seconds, connect there. So this is like everything is uh, connected to the stuff like there. So you can like connect the stuff for a testing purpose. For right now, here is a no voltage, anything else like that. Only draw like a few amps or a couple of voltage, like a 5 volt. So that's why they are running now. If your actual build, you you should give to the like a actual power. So you should take care. So this, because no USB jumper is there, so it's draw a 5 volt. And if like you jumper is there, you draw more voltages, give you some damage. So take care of the voltage stuff, and do the stuff like if you are like everything is confirmed and verified. Okay, main things like the careful things, like you should careful OTG and eMMC switch. You should careful when you are connect this to the main supply, or like supply it from like your computer to the this USB cable. Okay, so you should careful with it, like really. So the voltage differentiate is there. Okay, so like this thing, I just connect here 5-volt voltage, so I'm not connecting anything else, just a thermistor for like a error is not there. Okay, so like this. So the minimum power distribution stuff is here. So I give a like a sufficient power to the board, so it's distribute the power to the other components. So like, okay, so you should careful with the power distributions. Okay, so careful you are not burning your stuff. And this is just for a demonstration purpose. Okay, uh, now we are talk about the something like benefits, uh, eMMC or something, pro and con, something what you called about it. Okay, we start about like pros. So good chip, fast, you have a more stuff to like according your project. You has like a display, HDMI, DSI, all this stuff, camera stuff is there. But if we talk about only 3D printing stuff, like, okay, so I'm not care about the microphone, speaker, or something else. I had a like a display, normal DSI display to connect it. Okay, so what I want it like, I just connect this display to here. So it's show me a default stuff is there, and I add my easily. If I don't want to use a SD card or stuff like that, I just flash this eMMC and shows there. Add my select my Wi-Fi stuff, password is connected, and I do another stuff like, okay, easy. So second thing, second thing is I need a easily access to the eMMC system config file or stuff like this without any extra hardware. Oh, that's good. So if I like a option like I the option is like I need a LAN cable to communicate, or I need exceptional hardware. So CH340 something hardware for the communicate a serial to UART or something, USB to UART communication. So I need a second hardware. Okay. So that thing is like a drawback. So if it's that thing is like a built-in, it should be a built-in. Okay. So we no need to spend any extra money on the hardware. Secondary things. The main thing is pro things like Easiest way, flash your SSD card, edit the stuff, do it, updation, everything. So make it your primary, do it, and transfer your everything from your SD card to your eMMC. Easy. Just you need to like follow a single commands there. So like easy. So pros like this. Okay. So like it, this one. So after this, you don't need to do anything else. This SD card is your physical backup. Like anytime your like kernel panic or your stuff is not working, you can use your SD card and reflash it from SD card to the eMMC in a single command. Again, pro. That is a thing is like a pros. Okay, this one. So like a this is your backup, physical backup is here. And the fourth thing is like a eMMC first, then the SD card. So like I assume it, I'm tested it. Okay, it's like pretty much a fast. It doesn't matter. Like it's a couple of a seconds. Like if it's like a 20-25 seconds, so it's like a 20 seconds or 18-20 seconds something. If it's like a 4 or 5 seconds, but yeah, it's fast. eMMC is a fast than the your SD card. Like the main thing is like somehow your eMMC is not working. You have a M.2 slot there, small one. You like you spend like uh, I not 100% sure, but I think the maximum capacity of this is a 128 GB capacity for this M.2 slot. It's not a like a Gen 3. I think it's a Gen 2 maybe. I'm not sure until I'm not testing it. So this one. So the more benefit if you are like a SPR NOR flash is uh, assembled there if you want it. So it's like a more advantage. It's like a take care of the whole BIOS system. More advantage. So if the like a uh, built-in, it's good. So I think like a if BQ gave the it doesn't matter like it's like a however whatever the cost is like a $5 maybe not 100% sure the this flash is there so like a, I think $3 to $4 maybe this SPI nor flash is there so they what they recommended there so it is there so they we have actual bootloader stuff like that is there. This is a major drawback. So if you like spend that much money on these things, like you can spend a two three more dollar. You can yes you can do it. Like they they give this to a by default. This one NOR flash is SPI NOR flash like this is by default. It should be there by default. So every Raspberry Pi flashing their pseudo system, everything is there. So they store a particular major data on the flash memory. It should be there, like something if you are using a the external hard drive system or NVMe system or something, NVMe system. It should be there. Yes. Okay. So, so I put my lots of efforts on this video. please like, share, and subscribe. Everything is free of cost. So everything is free of cost. I give you knowledge in a free of cost. So I appreciate like if you drop me a subscribe, like, share, everything. So please do like, do subscribe, do share. So I make a more content for like a this knowledge purpose, all this stuff. I just because everything I buy everything my own. Okay, nothing is like a free of cost, something like that. So please subscribe and thanks for watching a video. Stay continued connected. So I make a more video on the stuff. Thank you. Incomplete manual, lack of knowledge, what the things actually you want, so it's not there. What they want to show you, it's there. So like I not reading this manual. It's like a only like a what they want to show you. That stuff is there. What you want to like a no searching or want to like a do some stuff. It's not there. So for like a mind reviewer knowledge stuff, so the lack of knowledge. So BQ gives you a lack of knowledge. So what stuff you actually want it or I actually want it, it's not there. Only a stuff they want to show you, only that stuff is there. Okay, so like for my thing is like a it's a like a 50%. It gives you a 50% knowledge. That's it. Nothing. Lack of the like a actual documentation stuff. Like they type you something. They shows you something like okay. So like they show you after complete this stuff like turn out okay you so Ethernet cable or UART cable. If you don't have any information, if you don't have any information to like a Ethernet stuff or USB to UART stuff, you are not able to do it. So it's useless. So like if you don't want to like spend your money to the SD card or something else, you buy it like flash it with your USB cable or stuff like that. So okay, so if you don't like have a knowledge or like information about to like a Wi-Fi communication, LAN cable communication, or USB to UART communication. So like this thing shows here is like only one thing, nothing, just a one few lines words there. Okay, no more information is there, no more text. So it's useless if you flash with like a there useless stuff, nothing else. Like nothing else useless. Like if you like follow the SD card stuff, it's good. Yes. So flash your SD card, keep your stuff, backup. Okay. So yeah, you can use it. But if you are follow the eMMC flashing direct with the computer, you can flash it. Yes, in my video, yes, I showed you. But yes, but like how you config your Wi-Fi files, all this stuff, display stuff. Okay, no information, nothing. So this documentation, if I like assume like if I only eMMC stuff like that, so this document is useless, useless. No information, eMMC, how to like config your files, stuff like that. So it's good if you are using a memory card, SD card. It's okay, good. If you are flashing a eMMC direct, useless. Okay, so please subscribe, like, share. I make up more video for you, useful video for you. Thank you for watching this video till until the end.